Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshnaw, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. Today we're unboxing the Orbi system add-on. This is AC3000. It offers an additional 2,500 square feet of Wi-Fi coverage in your home. So this is what this will do. Usually get one satellite with the Orbi system, and then you can add this as an extension right here. So more coverage, which is great, made by Netgear. Now we'll go inside the box. Very nice box, I like the packaging a lot. Orbi is one of the fastest, actually it's the fastest Wi-Fi system I've ever tested in a home. So we like to showcase their products because it's tested so well. So this is the satellite unit here, and it's not small, it's quite big. This way you know you're going to get all of the signal that you could want. So it's a hefty unit, we like that. And then going further inside the box, you have some mounting kit piece here. And then it looks like an accessories box here. Yep. So you have your screws, and it's just a bunch of mounting brackets and such here. So there's that. And then inside of here is the stand that you can use to set it on. So we like that they include all of these different pieces. This is the Orbi extension satellite. Gives you an additional 2,500 square feet, and it's great for outdoor use. Thank you.